If you're a content creator, you know that adding zooms and emphasize zoom in effects throughout your videos can be a great way to add some motion, make your videos feel more dynamic and engaging. So in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to use this AI plugin to automatically add zooms based on the highlight emphasis words of what you say throughout your video. This plugin has a free forever plan that you can download, but also disclaimer, there's a paid plan. Without further ado, let's dive straight in. Right now we're inside of Premiere Pro. You can see I got this reel right here where I'm, talking about shit. And we're going to first go to this website called AutoEditAI.net, and we're going to download the free AutoEdit plugin. So disclaimer, this plugin has a free plan, which has a couple of free tools. The zoom ins, automatic zoom ins is not included in the free forever plan, but it does have a free 3-day trial that you can just download and test it out to see if you like it. And if you like it, then you can end up paying for it. The reason being so is because it processes credits to analyze like your transcript and determine what are the good takes and what do we want to actually keep. Once you download the plugin, it gives you these installer steps. So just go ahead and run this package file by double clicking it and then restart Premiere Pro. Once you restart Premiere, you go to Window, you hit Extensions and click AutoEdit Creator Mode. The plugin pops up just like this. And then you're going to scroll down over here to where it says Zoom Ins. So you click Zoom Ins and now you can go ahead and adjust the easing of the zoom. Do you want it to be a sharp cut, smooth zoom out, etc.? We're going to do a smooth zoom in and we're going to hit frequency pretty high. And then we're going to hit the zoom amount like, let's do 122%. And that's basically how much it's going to zoom in. Now we're going to hit detect zooms. So it's going to transcribe our entire video, determine what are the highlight emphasis words. Like, I say something important and then it zooms in on my face when I say that important word. And boom, just like that, it found 14 zoom moments for us. And then we can go ahead and apply those zooms and it automatically starts adding those zooms to our timelines via an adjustment layer. And look at that. You can see we zoom in. Look at this.
Plugin has saved me
sick. We got all these cool zoom in animations done for us with just the click of a button. And I don't have to, go in and watch my video again and try to listen to all the important zoom in parts. So you can see it's a pretty easy, fast way that we can get our zoom ins done. Let me know what you guys think. Like I said, this feature right here, yes, is part of the paid plan, but there are also some other cool features in here I do want to show you. So these free forever tools are, like the name entails, free forever. You can actually do stuff like paste images directly from Google. You can silence cut, like for example, if I want to cut out all the silences and pauses, I can just go ahead and do so by just boom, instantly cutting them all out. Look at that. That is so sick. And it's actually way faster than Premiere Pro's native silence cutter as well. There's also another free tab of tools of motion graphics templates. So this plugin includes basically a virtual free pack of motion graphics animations that you can use for your short form content editing or long form content, whatever it may be. Overall, I found this plugin very helpful, specifically if you are a content creator and you're editing any footage with talking head footage in it. I don't think that AI is going to replace everything about video editing. So if you find this plugin helpful or interesting, you want to learn more about how you can use Claude AI to actually edit the full rough cut of your YouTube video or your short form video, then you can check out this video linked right here.